Alright, so here it is. There's the FZ-07, and I know that a lot of you voted for the ZXXR, but unfortunately, even though I did want it, the insurance was just too expensive at about $8,000 a year. So I was like, no thank you, and I'll save up some cash, and instead of buying a ZXXR, I'll just get the FZ-07 and then spend the rest of the money on mods. As you can see right here, I have my Acrapovic exhaust. An install video is coming soon, probably later in the weeks, we'll see. The reason why I didn't put out a video of me installing this is because I wanted to film a reveal video before the install video, because it would have given it more character. Throughout the weeks, we're gonna be upgrading this bike. We're gonna be getting rid of this tail piece right here, the tail light. We're gonna be tuning the bike, probably replacing the clutch, putting on new frame sliders. We're gonna be wrapping this bike into a different color, not sure which color yet. Gonna be getting rid of these grips right here, putting on new grips, putting in a new throttle tube. Gonna be installing a custom foam mount in there. Gonna be getting rid of these mirrors, gonna be getting rid of these levers, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.